Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Dogecoin, give you guys my daily analysis on the price. You guys have been absolutely killing it with the support. Just want to say thank you for all your support. Really appreciate that. Continue supporting and you will continue to see these Dogecoin updates. So, if we're looking at the markets today as of March 2nd, of course, it's in midnight here in North America, depending where you are. But, if we're looking at the overall markets, guys, especially the altcoin market, it's going madness. These are the times people have been waiting for, especially the people that actually were accumulating during the bloodbath. What I mean by the bloodbath is, of course, the bear market, when the uncertainty levels are like sky high, no one is paying attention. But the people that were paying attention at this point, I'm sure 99% of those people are smiling right now if they're looking at their portfolio. And of course, we're seeing the biggest meme coin in the space, which is Dogecoin, making some massive strides. And that is something I've been expecting, of course. In my Dogecoin updates, I kind of did indicate that. And that's without Elon's help. That is without Elon's help. But we got to give credit where it belongs. Some people don't like hearing this. Some people have mixed thoughts on the guy. But, to be quite frank with you, we would not be seeing Shiba Inu, we would not be seeing Pepe, we would not be seeing WIF, we would not be seeing a meme coin market, let's just put it there, if it wasn't for him. What happened with Dogecoin started a brand new category in the crypto space, which is a meme coin market. And if you combine the meme coin market right now, it's $48 billion. And if you go back, I think 2020, I would say not even 2020, 2018, we were sitting at 60 to $70 billion market cap for the entire space. Just let that sink in, how much this category has blown up. So if we're looking at Dogecoin, it's up 24% on the daily time frame. It yet hit another yearly high. Of course, altcoins have a lot of momentum, especially meme coins. Meme coins are having that edge against majority of the other altcoins that are, of course, not meme coins, because right now they're just hot. A lot of people are showing interest to them, especially reminiscing as to what happened in the previous cycle. So that is that. And I also think there is institutional interest that is paying attention to these meme coins. Why is that the case now? You may be thinking, let's kind of brainstorm. Let's actually use a little bit of our general knowledge. So when you are looking at from the client side of things, let's say there is a lot of clientele interest coming in, of course, because now all the headlines are talking about crypto this, crypto that, these dog coins pumping this and that. And guess what? I'm sure last cycle we saw massive amounts of clientele going to these massive institutions asking for exposure in meme coins, especially Dogecoin, and they were not able to do so. But this time around, who knows what can happen? As of now, what the market has already done, what it has achieved before the halving itself is mind-blowing. And we've been hearing the term that this is the biggest bull market that we're going to see, and as of now it's going as planned. So we never know what these institutions could have behind the scenes, but I think there could be a potential announcement coming out for one or two meme coins. But that's again me speculating, just sitting here speculating with you. Do let me know in the comments if you agree. But if you're looking at Dogecoin's price right now, currently sitting at 14.5 cents. Like I said, it hit a new yearly high. We're up 22.7% in Bitcoin and USD, comparative with the market cap approaching $21 billion and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $5 billion, which is absolutely insane to even think of. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So of course, I did kind of indicated this in my Pepe update as well as my Shiba Inu update that I made. You're seeing the dominance index going down right now, especially since we did close out the daily candle on March 1st. So what I'm thinking is, a lot of money is flowing from BTC back into altcoins, and meme coins are the ones that are being attracted, majority of this money that's flowing back in, because money is not leaving the space right now. The money is staying in the space, so it's going back into the altcoins. And you're seeing a lot of coins that did not pump up that are pumping up right now. Shiba Inu was one of them. Floki as well. Look, Floki is also up 116%. And these are people seeing opportunities. Will this stay? Will all of these be here in the next 12 months? No, I don't think so. I honestly don't think so. I think only a certain meme coins will actually establish their presence, and there's new ones I think that will take that spot, because new ones are more attractive. And I personally think there are some of them that are going to replace some of these meme coins. But Dogecoin I don't think will be replaced, because of course having the first mover advantage. You got to look at it from this point of view. If it wasn't for Dogecoin, there wouldn't be any of these meme coins. So we need to keep that factor in mind at all times. So as far as BTC is concerned, Bitcoin's looking absolutely amazing. Closed the daily candle just a few hours ago on March 1st above. We closed the daily candle above $62,000, which is really nice to see. But if you're looking at Doge's price right now, you guys can clearly see where we're currently sitting at. We are approaching that exact same resistance I was speaking to you guys about before over the past few days, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level at 16.1 cents. We know the significance of this resistance. We know what happens after it goes into the zone. If you don't know what that happens, let me kind of briefly go over. So basically, if the price of Dogecoin is able to close back above the 78.6, of course, number one, it would mark the first time pretty much since, you could say, 2 years, more than 2 years, that the price has actually gone back above there and actually closing that. And this would officially end the bear market consolidation phase. So it's really, really important for the price of Dogecoin not to just retest this key resistance. We actually need to see a close above there, and I'm starting to think that is likely going to happen, because if we're looking at the measuring tool, we're only 10% away for us to reach that. And I think in the upcoming days ahead of us, as long as we remain at these levels, I think we could see Doge pushing up to that level. And of course, if it's able to close up around there, main target for myself is 20 cents for Doge. That's the next major resistance. That's after getting back into the 78.6, and I think this will trigger in FOMO. You guys are probably thinking, Crypto ZX, FOMO is already kicking in, but I think this is where the real FOMO kicks in, and the money that's still on the sidelines that's waiting for this confirmation will enter here. Some of the money, as I've told you guys in my Solana and my other updates, if you don't watch those, I'll kind of briefly go over it. There's so much money sitting in the sidelines, and the big boys, they don't care about the 100x, the 50x, the 20x. These guys are here for 5 to 10x max, and they're out. And sometimes they wait for key confirmations, and as an analyst, this is one of the key confirmations that the price of Dogecoin needs to break out of, and it's really, really close to that. And if it's able to do this, this can trigger something really, really interesting. But do let me know down below what you guys personally think. Thank you so much for all your support. You guys are absolutely killing it. Do let me know if you guys want to see more day-to-day Dogecoin updates. Of course, you guys do. So far, you guys are absolutely killing it. But other than that, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.